We'll guide you through how to filter colored cells in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because sorting data by color in Microsoft Excel helps organize information quickly and makes large tables easier to read. First, locate the Microsoft Excel icon on your computer screen and double-click the Excel logo to open the program. Wait a few moments for the application to load completely before moving to the next step. After Excel opens, press the Control key and the letter O on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut will quickly open the file browsing window. Next, tap the search bar that appears inside the file browser. Carefully type the name of your file into the search bar so the program can locate it more easily. Once the correct file appears in the results, select your file with a single click. Then drag your mouse pointer down to the Open button at the bottom of the window. Click the button to open the selected file in Excel. After the file loads, make sure the worksheet already contains a table with colored cells, because the sorting feature will depend on those colors. Next, drag your mouse across the table area to highlight the data you want to organize. When the table is selected, you will see a filter button appear on the side of the table headings. Drag your mouse pointer to the filter button and tap on it to display more sorting and filtering options. A menu will open with several choices that can help organize your data. Next, look carefully through the menu and find the option labeled Sort by Color. Move your mouse pointer to that option so you can access the available color choices. Finally, tap on the option to sort the table by color. Excel will automatically rearrange the rows in your table so that cells with the same color are grouped together in an organized way. Before closing the worksheet, quickly review the table to confirm that the colors are arranged in the correct order and that no rows are missing from the selection. If the information does not appear correctly, you can repeat the filtering and sorting process again by reopening the filter menu and choosing a different color arrangement that better matches your needs for accuracy.